Hey, what's up everybody? So, I'm going to show you where this cabin filter is on this 2009 B200 Mercedes. So first of all, you got to open up the hood and where your cabin filter is located, and it's not located in the glove box. It's actually under this cowl here. Super easy to get at. You just pop these clips, right, on each side, and then work it out. Comes off, and here's your cabin filter. So on the sides there's these clips. Just release those clips on the side, right, and your cabin filter just slides right out, and there you have it. It's dirty, but it's not too bad. I just put it in the yellow mark, and yeah, let the customer know for next time. All right, so I have one more thing. If you're ever wondering where the battery is on this vehicle, it's actually on the passenger floorboard. So you got to remove this carpet. Get that out of the way. And there's this little access cover. You give that a twist. Turn on my light first. There you go. That pops open. There's all your fuses. Underneath the styrofoam cover is your battery. So yeah, in case if you're wondering where the battery is, because that's I did wonder where it is, because it's not underneath the hood, it's not in the trunk, it's also not in the back seat, so it's right in the passenger seat, or underneath the passenger seat.